Hello friends, welcome to my channel Try Studio. In this video I am going to unbox and review Esports H550W gaming headphone. Here you can see the headphone look and design. It comes with a USB port instead of 3.5mm jacks, and it supports HD True HD audio. That means it has a dedicated mic. Then it has volume controller. It supports 7.1 surround sound and multicolor LED. Let me show you the side also. At this side you can see the specifications. The speaker size 50mm, speaker impedance, frequency response, then mic dimensions, and this is the back side, and this is the other side of the box. Here you can see the product is made in China. We will get a free pass for World of Warships within this 1599 rupees. Previously it was sold for 2500 rupees with this World of Warship pass. I'll provide the Amazon link in the description. You can check the link for the price update. Now let's open the product and then I will talk about its build quality and sound quality. And this is the box. The box is huge and the packing quality is really good. And this is the headphone, and what else we get inside the box. This is a welcome letter from Esports. This is our product manual book. Also it comes with a warranty card. Here is our warranty card. It has 1 year of warranty. So let's keep it aside. And where is our World of Warship pass? So this is our World of Warship pass, worth 1000 rupees. Now let's keep the box aside. Those are the box contents, and now let's check our headphone. OMG, it's huge. Just look at the cable. The cable quality is awesome, and it comes with USB adapter. It does not come with 3.5mm jack, so you would be able to use it with your laptop or desktop or with any computer without any difficulties, because nowadays laptops come with combi port, but in desktop there are several ports for sound and mic. But with this USB you can use it with your desktop or laptop without any problem. Just take a look at the wire. The wire quality is really great. These are rubberized plastic. It won't break even if you apply large amount of tension on two sides. So I am very impressed with this wire quality, and this wire length is 2.4 meters. And this is the headphone. Here we have World of Warship logo, and these are actually multicolored LED. The LED will lit up when you connect it with the USB. I will show you the RGB color effect in a while. So at first let's take a look at the build quality. The headphone is made with good plastic. Build quality is really good. The headbands are also made with plastic. I think there is a thin metal strip inside the plastic, and this headband also have nice cushions, and the ear cushions are really very soft and comfortable. Here you can see how soft they are, and the black and red color really makes it look elegant. And this is our volume controller. So let me put it on. The ear cushion is so big that my ear easily fits inside it, and it actually cancels out the outside noise. And now let me connect it with my laptop. Here you can see the RGB effect, and this is the mic. So let me play a music. Let's play a music from YouTube. The sound is really amazing, but the bass could be better, but still quite good at this price point. And treble is really good, so you will really enjoy the music. And basically this is a gaming headphone. I think that's why they have lowered down the bass level a little bit, because during gaming you will actually focus on the footstep of your enemy or the gunshots. That's why I think they have lowered down the bass a little bit, but still the sounds are really good. And this is the mic. You can easily communicate with your friends or teammates. You can also communicate with your viewers via Discord application with this headphone, and this RGB effect is really awesome. At this price point, I would say this is really a good headphone. And friends, take a look at this RGB color effect. The light changes automatically and really gives a nice feel and look to your headphone. And this RGB effect actually works on both the sides. On this side we have the same RGB effect also. And friends, before buying any anti-sport gaming headphone, please make sure the model number is H550W, because only this model comes with a USB port. All other models comes with 3.5mm jack. Only complaint that I have regarding its sound quality is that the bass is a little bit on the lower side. Otherwise everything is okay. And the RGB color effect is really amazing. And friends, another thing that I want to show you, to improve your audio quality, you can enable Windows Sonic. And after enabling Windows Sonic, you won't really complain about its bass quality. So when you connect the headphone via USB to your laptop or desktop, your PC will automatically recognize it. And even if your PC don't recognize it, you can always change the sound source from here. Here you can see right now it is showing that speakers USB audio device, which is my headphone, and this is my laptop speaker. So you can always switch between the speakers. Basically this headset is designed for budget gamers and streamers, but if you are a heavy gamer, you can go for the higher end versions, but this model won't disappoint you. I would definitely recommend this model. You can go for it. If you get it for 1500 rupees, then it will be a best deal, but I have purchased it for 1599 rupees, so it doesn't matter. Also I have got 1000 rupees coupon code for World of Worship. I will check that out in a while. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.